This is Amy Chan from Cake Decorating School, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. Thanks for checking out our adorable anime eyeball cake project. This sweet design is perfect for Halloween. It's a bit of whimsical gore that makes for a perfect finish to a Halloween-themed dessert table or party. This cake is a fun way to expand your skills by learning how to ice a sphere. Getting to a smoothly iced sphere is a challenge, but one that can easily be tackled with a little patience and practice. It's a great skill that can be used to make a variety of fun and festive designs. This cake can easily be customized by changing up the color of your iris or adding more details to make fun variations like zombie eyes or a bloodshot one. Follow along with the step-by-step videos to learn it all. From frosting and filling your cake to making your colors and using the templates and applying all those fun finishing details. This class can be bought as a standalone lesson, or you can get this plus so much more as part of your yearly membership. For more information about yearly membership and how to sign up, go to www.cakedecorating.school.com. Hey everyone, we wanted to tell you a little bit about what paid membership to our school includes. So you'll get 12 themed project classes, one that drops each month. You could buy them separately, but you'll save a bunch by going with the yearly membership. We also do a bunch of Instagram live classes that we record and post to the platform for our paid students so that they can watch at their convenience or rewatch anytime. We like to do a lot of little companion projects for our themed classes and also some seasonal content along with some simple techniques for our lives just to help bolster your basic decorating skills. We also have what we call our foundation vault videos that include basic recipes you'll need to decorate with and also some techniques and just great foundations of cake decorating. We also have some plans to include some bonus material that will be accessible for our yearly students only. So we hope you'll check it out, we hope you'll join us, and we hope you'll have lots of fun decorating.